like it's on rails.
Yeah, man, I was beating a 350Z.
Were you really?
Yeah, at the track.
Very cool. All right, you guys, I'm here with Dave Meurs, and Dave, boy, you've got something pretty cool for us, don't you?
Yes, yeah.
Hey, man, tell us about this thing. This thing is a trip. Check this out, you guys. Amazing. Tell us about it.
It's well, it's just an early kit car, originally built for autocrossing.
Wow.
So they made them like 68, 69, 1969.
And what's it called again?
Humbug Mini Group
Humbug.
7. And they made them in England and they called them Beaujangles. They only made 6 of those. So.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. How'd you get this one?
Just always looking. You know, a friend of mine wanted something. I showed it to him, and he bought it, but he had too many projects, so I bought it from him. So.
This thing's cool.
Yeah.
So what is this registered as?
Bug.
Obviously a bug.
61 bug.
I dig it. So now, give me a little tour. Let's walk around real quick and tell me. I mean, I dig the wheels. Tell me about the wheels. Tell me about the body. Tell me about everything that you've done to this thing.
Well, I picked the wheels up separately from some local guys. Some of my friends had them, so I got them separate.
And how wide are they?
8s in the front, 10s in the back.
Okay.
Like a little over 10 in the back.
Look at this. It gives it such a cool look, man. Now, as far as the body, or the pan, I mean, it doesn't look shortened.
It's shortened in the front, like 8 inches.
Just in the front.
Just in the front on the bulkhead, they brought the beam back, so
Huh.
it puts more weight on the front wheels. You went around the corner, you felt it.
Oh yeah,
So-
big time.
So yeah, it's shortened a little bit.
Look at this thing.
It was originally it's an autocross car. So,
This thing is a trip. It's like a little land shark. That is awesome. Now I'm looking at the number there on the windshield. Did you recently take this out to a track?
yeah, I took it out to the local track.
How'd it do?
I beat every time except for one on a 350Z.
Dude, look at this. And now, where's your seat? So you gave me the backrest. That was very kind of you.
I cut it down a little, gave myself a little more room. So, we got the 914 for the stock lap belt. And then I got a single loop that goes in there so I could pass tech.
Oh, man. And look at this. I mean, definitely easy access to the engine, huh?
Everything's open. Just mystery motor, I don't know, came.
Seems a boogie, dude.
Yeah.
So, I mean, could be a 1600 or more, right? I mean,
The car doesn't weigh anything.
yeah, big time.
But it's
Look
got
at
a
this.
Weber progressive on it. I put a 010 and I put this exhaust on it. So, complete mystery motor. I don't know.
Mystery motor. Gotta love that. I love that.
So just I try to break it.
And where'd the hood ornament come from?
38 Packard.
Yeah, look at that thing.
Goddess of speed. People call her the donut lady.
The donut lady?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. She doesn't look like she eats too many donuts, that's for sure.
Yeah, she just passes them out.
I like your racing steering wheel. Look at that.
Probably better for drag racing.
Oh my gosh.
Because on the track, it's really, a lot of handwork. So.
Dude, it's like a go-kart.
Yeah.
Well, this is cool,
Shifters are
man.
moved back.
Oh, so the shifter is moved back. Yeah.
The shifters moved back.
Okay.
So I'm sitting in the back seat. I'm sitting on the back floor.
Look at that. Yeah.
So the battery's still right there.
Awesome.
I had to strap it down to pass tech.
Nice. To pass tech. That's awesome. I love how the windshield goes right into the body. Well, this is bitchin', man. This is definitely cool. That is rad. Look at that. So, any big plans for it other than enjoy it?
I got all kinds of ideas, but I got all kinds of other projects too, so I'm just happy to have it running and driving.
Very
Having fun
cool.
with it right now.
Well,
so.
speaking of running and driving, can we just go for a quick little trip around the block?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Mario!
Nice. So, question for you. Where is no grab handle for me, no seatbelt?
No, we're sitting on the floor.
All right. Well, the mystery motor definitely sounds like fun, huh?
Sounds pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
So, maybe it's a 1641 or something.
Maybe. This thing's awesome, man.
Pretty fun, right?
Oh yeah, big time. Seeing handles like it's on rails.
Yeah, man, I was beating a 350C.
Were you really?
Yeah, at the track.
Very cool. Yeah, the way this thing corners is awesome.
All right, let's see. We're going 30.
Whoa!
How fast we going?
Fast.
Go through, or is it dead end too?
No, you can go all the way through. You can go through. It just turns to the left. So what's that smell?
Fiberglass.
Oh my god, what a rush, dude. Alright, this is definitely crazy. Dave, thanks for the ride, man.
You're welcome.
I think I might have fiberglass splinters in my butt.
It might be a little itchy.
A little bit. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you soon.